Have you ever tried switching between wireframe, shaded, realistic, or conceptual visual styles in AutoCAD, only to find that absolutely nothing changes on the screen? Maybe you select a different visual style from the view controls, but the model continues to look exactly the same. Or perhaps certain visual styles work while others don't. This can be frustrating, especially when you're working on a 3D model and need a better way to inspect surfaces, materials, and geometry. The good news is that this problem is usually caused by display settings, graphics configuration issues, viewport settings, or the type of objects in your drawing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix visual styles that are not changing in AutoCAD's 3D view, even if you're completely new to 3D modeling. Before troubleshooting the issue, it's important to understand what visual styles do. Visual styles control how AutoCAD displays objects on your screen. For example, wireframe shows only edges, shaded displays surfaces, conceptual provides smooth shading with highlighted edges, and realistic adds materials and lighting effects. When visual styles are functioning correctly, changing between them should immediately alter the appearance of your model. The first thing you should verify is that you're actually working with 3D objects. Select one of the objects in your drawing and open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl+1. Check the object type. If your drawing consists only of lines, arcs, and polylines, visual style changes may not appear very noticeable because there are no surfaces to shade. Visual styles have the greatest effect on 3D solids, surfaces, and meshes. Next, try switching to a different visual style manually. Open the Visual Style drop-down menu and select Shaded, Conceptual, or Realistic. Give AutoCAD a few seconds to update the display. If nothing changes, continue with the next troubleshooting steps. One of the most common causes is graphics hardware acceleration being disabled. Type Graphics Config into the command line and press Enter. The Graphics Performance window will open. Check whether hardware acceleration is enabled. If it is turned off, many advanced display features may not function correctly. Enable hardware acceleration if your system supports it, then restart AutoCAD and test the visual styles again. Another useful step is regenerating the drawing. Type Regen and press Enter. If that doesn't work, type Regen All and press Enter. These commands force AutoCAD to refresh the display and recalculate how objects are shown on the screen. In some cases, visual style changes are delayed until a regeneration occurs. Another possible cause is outdated graphics drivers. AutoCAD relies heavily on your computer's graphics card for displaying visual styles. If the graphics driver is old, corrupted, or incompatible, certain visual effects may not display correctly. Visit the graphics card manufacturer's website and install the latest recommended driver for your hardware. If you're working with imported models, especially files received from other CAD software, the drawing may contain display-related issues. Try running the Audit command. Type Audit, press Enter, and allow AutoCAD to fix any detected errors. You can also use Recover when opening the file to repair drawing corruption that might affect visual style behavior. Sometimes the issue is caused by visual style settings themselves. Type Visual Styles and press Enter. This opens the Visual Styles Manager, where you can inspect and reset styles if they have been modified. If a style was accidentally customized, restoring default settings may resolve the problem. Another troubleshooting step is testing a new drawing. Create a simple 3D box using the Box command and switch between wireframe, shaded, and realistic views. If visual styles work correctly in the new drawing but not in the original file, the issue likely exists within the drawing itself rather than AutoCAD. For users working on laptops, it's also worth checking whether AutoCAD is using the dedicated graphics card instead of integrated graphics. Some systems automatically switch to lower performance graphics, which can affect 3D display capabilities and visual style performance. So, to quickly summarize, if visual styles are not changing in AutoCAD's 3D view, first confirm you're working with true 3D objects, manually switch visual styles, enable hardware acceleration, regenerate the drawing, check viewport overrides, update graphics drivers, repair the drawing using Audit or Recover, review visual style settings, and test the behavior in a new drawing. In many cases, enabling hardware acceleration or repairing the drawing resolves the issue immediately. I hope this guide helped you fix visual styles that are not changing in AutoCAD. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AutoCAD tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.